How to add note on Instagram posts and reels. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to add note on Instagram posts and reels. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Instagram application on your device and log into your account. Now, simply you can use the search icon at bottom left corner to find any post or reel, or simply from your home feed of Instagram you can select a particular reel video. If this is the video, you can tap on the share icon on this particular reel video. Now you can easily select add note button. Now simply you can add a note or else mention a friends as well. Additionally, you can add the sticker as well and tap on share button at bottom right corner of your screen. And with that, you have added note on Instagram reel. So further, if you want to add note on Instagram post, you can easily look for the particular post and tap share button again. Do the same process, that is adding note, and then you can type in any message. Now you can add the sticker as well and tap on the share button at bottom right corner of your screen. And with that, you have successfully added notes on Instagram posts and reels. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.